When you look at like the security footprint inside of an AI workload, it is a massive black hole right now, because from a development standpoint, you're not worried about security. You're worried about, does this AI use case work, right? So with Secure AI Factory and on-prem hardware, you control the guardrails, you control all the security all the way up through the stack, and you can have your developers go out and build a product that works. You don't have to worry about the security because it's encompassing the entire AI workload, right?
Agentic AI applications, it may outnumber the number of people. At least looking at the market, what pundits are predicting, there's going to be plethora of these agents, and security is going to be main concern. Humans, we have identity. When you log into a company, right? You have a pass key, maybe face recognition. What should agents have as an identity? Should these agents have individual identity to verify themselves? Because they may take actions on behalf of you. So should that be a separate ID? And how do you authenticate? I mean, agents don't have a face, right? How does an agent work?
Well, and
Should that be
especially in a Kubernetes environment where, pods are spun up and spun down, you can't do traditional security based on IP addresses, because these are all allocated, dynamically as the system requires, scale out and scale down.